I was a fucking metro town when I was a kid. I was like probably one of my favorite memories.
Oh, big time.
Good memory.
Fucking the NES.
Yeah.
Oh, that's and I think we used to play fucking Metal Gear.
There's Lagoon.
Yeah, I used to.
The first Metal Gear.
Yeah. Anything. Rattle codes.
I read this funny thing online. I read this funny thing online with college kids. They prank called Pawn Stars in Las Vegas. And the first time they called like had to been 50-something times. The first time they called, they're like, "Yeah, do you guys have Battletoads?" No, we don't have Battletoads. So they call again. "Yeah, I'm looking for an engagement ring for my wife. I'd like an engravement on it, something like Battletoads." And they just kept going on, asking for Battletoads, and eventually they'd call, and before they could say anything, the guy from Pawn Stars would be like, "You fucking kids have nothing better to do but call here and ask for Battletoads. We don't have Battletoads."
Excuse me? Yeah, I'm an old art collector. I'm looking for a painting.
Sorry
for the kids, you know. Yeah, it's late at night. They have nothing better to do. Yeah, painting, of a